Able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So those are lag, lead, first value, last value. So lag means if you want the values before the existing value. Lead means if you want the values before, after the existing value. Okay. First value, if we want to get the first value from the string, last value from the string. Okay. String column, I mean. So such purpose we use these things. Here again we use uh, over you can use, even partition also you can use. Use this, using this we can read the data of previous row. Without joins and subqueries, we can directly read previous rows. So if you see read, it is used to get the data after the existing. Okay. So what is this lag? We'll show you. We have these customer orders, right? So where is this customer orders? We don't have customer orders. It is there in 24, I guess, right? Yeah. Let us bring this. I have brought this data. So if you see, we have data for customer orders, right? So what we are going to do is, I would like to display order date, and at the same time, I would like to display the previous order date. Okay, how it is going to show.
Sir, I'm really sorry to interrupt. Just before we get started, can you give us a like an overview one more time of what it
Sure.
is, what value Windows function is?
Sure. See, value windows functions, with the help of this, see, this is like another set of functions what we have. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
what this do is, it is lag function. The name only says there is a lag. Okay. So lag function will get you the previous value. Lead means which is in front. Lead function will get you after value. These are the two values. I mean, these are the two functions which can get the back before value or after value. Whereas first value and last value, these are the two functions, first value or last value, which are used to get the first value in the string column. If you have a list of, example name, customer name, there are list of values. If you want to get the first value, you'll get the first value. If you want to print the last value. So like how we see in numbers, we have minimum function, maximum function, right? Almost close to it. First value gives the first value. Last value in the string. Okay, last value in the column. So these are the four functions. See here, using this function, we can read the data of previous row. We can read the data of previous row. So how to read? If you see, this is the customer data, customer orders, correct? And there is orders date, order date. There is order date, correct? So using lag, how to get that? Let us see. So here I'll call comma lag of this syntax is similar to row numbers only. Lag of, okay. Here you have to give how many order date. What is the column name? Order date, comma 1. over order by same column, order date, lag date. So if you see here, for first record, you are not going to get anything. Why? Because there is no previous record for it. I am saying one only. Okay. If you see here, for this previous record is this. For this previous record is this. For this previous record is this. For the first row, you will not get the previous record. But whereas this is the previous row. For this is the previous row. For this is the previous row. For this, you will see the change in the estimate. For
You
this,
show
see
the date only,
1230.
sir? You show the date only,
I
previous
asked
date
date
record
only,
or
right?
uh,
Lag order date, comma
uh,
one. Let's say what happens if I say two. So for first records, for first two records, it will not be there. Okay. I'll show. So see here, 1230 is here. 1230 is coming after two rows. You see it? It is two rows down. Actually, this data only will get, but excluding two rows, it will come. How I can explain this? I'll tell you like this. I'll show you just a moment. Mhm. So this is the table, correct? Lag date I'm removing for now, or else so lag date I'll keep it for now. I don't have data in it. Mhm. Okay, so now what I'm doing, lag date of one I said first. I want order date in this table, in this column, comma one. Lag one I said. One, so first one will have nothing, null. Okay, rest what you can do is from here, from the last but one. Last one you should not consider. Okay, from the first row till last but one row. Why it is not selecting? I don't know. Okay, except the last row, except the last row. Okay, except the last row, I have selected, copied, and I pasted here. So this and this and this. You got it? You getting? So
yes,
how
I
you
got
can
it.
change? How you can identify the change in my question? So the date is same, sir. How can I? So C for 30. Observe for 30. So 30 is in the next line. Got it?
Yes,
31st. 31st. First. First. So if you go like this, what is this? So this is the change happened. If you see last change is this. Okay. So, but thing is, last row, if it is different, let's say, if it is different last row, it cannot be taken anywhere. Why? Because, let's say, let it be 30, let it be 29, just think. So, this will come here. But this change will not come. Why? Because we said lag 1, first row will be skipped, last row will be skipped. First row on the right side will not have anything, that is null. For last row, we don't consider at all. Are you clear how lag works?
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah, got it, sir. Yeah.
clear. But can
So,
you
if it's a lag, hmm.
could you like give us a scenario of when this kind of work is going to be useful in, like in real life
I'll
scenarios?
tell you after, yeah, I'll tell you after completion. Okay.
Okay.
So, lag of 2. So, lag of 2. 2 I'm saying. So, first 2 you should not consider. From 3 here we select. So, because we are selecting first, we are ignoring first 2, last 2 also we should not consider. So, copy this. First 2 ignore. From here we go. So, go to the last. Exactly it fitted to the last. Should fit. It is not fitting. Sorry. No, no. You have to select all the rows here. Here, first two rows you should ignore. And if you see, it is fitting to last row. So if you scroll up, so this is this. So it goes like this. Now 30 here, I'll go with a different color for now. 30 here will come after 2 rows. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
After 2 rows to this level. See? After
Mm,
1 row for this lag one. So this is lag. Any questions on the lag? Lag will get to the previous value.
yeah.
Do you want to try this?
That means on the bottom also, 2 row will not take.
It will not take. It will. How can it take? It will because top 2 rows are ignored. So it will start from here, and top 2 rows will not come. I mean, bottom 2 rows will not come. These 2 rows will not come here. Okay.
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 Got it, sir.
Okay. Can you try this? Take any table. Just lag of not lag date, lag of column name, comma, how many rows you want to skip, one, over of order by the same column. Can you try this, please?
Can you show the last column or rows? What is it?
Sure. Last row or
Like the last
yeah.
row. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I
I
got
have
it.
a question.
Yes, please.
The labs only work for order date or it can be worked with anything else?
You can work, try.
It,
You can see
anything
why
else.
take an order date is it will be easy for you to identify. You can check with names
Yeah.
also.
Okay.
Let us
Yeah,
take.
I do
Let
the
me let
join
me
the
answer your question. See here, I'm taking city. Okay. See my screen, please. City. Order by a city. Same column I want to order by so that you can see. So let me lag by 1. So you got it. First row is nothing. Because I had said order by city, what it is doing, it is order by city and there are many rows. Let me do one thing. Order by date, I'll say. It will be zigzag. So now see here. You got it?
Yeah, they're skipping in the first row and then they take in the second row. Okay.
Yeah. So this is also a good example. Fine. Try it. Execute this query. So when this is used is, let's say, this is we are just seeing the order date or city of previous value. Just see, we have sales data, okay, sales data, revenue across months, okay. And if we want to prepare a dashboard, it could be a Power BI report or a normal report. If you want to compare the sales across the previous year, previous month and last month, previous month and the current month. So, example, this is the previous month, this is the current month. Okay, this is the previous month. Okay, got it?
No, sir.
So this is
So what's the
helpful
meaning
to
of lag?
compare the. Hmm?
There's any meaning of lag?
I didn't get you. Lag
Uh,
means
yeah,
late,
late.
previous. Just a moment.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, could you explain when this is used
Yeah.
again? Sorry, I think we were
See,
not clear
when
enough.
when you have sales data, okay, you have sales data. Just imagine
Mm-hmm.
across every month you'll have sales data. Correct?
Yeah.
You'll have history data warehousing project. If you take data warehousing project, you'll have sales across months. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if you want to compare what is the sales this year and what is the sales last year, then this kind of reporting will help. This is basically for reporting purpose mainly. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start from fact internet sales. You have here, let me do one thing. Let me join with dim product BP uh, on is equal to DP dot product field. I want to compare based on DP dot color. Sum of sales amount. This is not sufficient. Need to join with dim date. Just give me a moment. I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi. There was a problem with I connected from mobile hotspot. My Wi-Fi is back. So here if you see, here you see there is a sales value for different years, right? What I'll do is I'll say order by 2. So you can see on the same day there are different sales. Yes or no? For different colors there are different sales. You agree?
Yes, sir.
So let's say I'm not using this. Just let's say. So now you see sales based on this month, this month, this month, this month. You see, right? Okay, this is date wise. You see, correct? Date wise sales. This is instead of date wise sales. I'll let me get you calendar month of each month. Yeah. So you got sales month wise, correct?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Mm. I'm trying to answer your question. Let's see. Now you see year wise and month wise. You agree? So these
Yes, sir.
are only 1 month in this year, and for 2011 there are 12 years. For 2012 there are 12 months. 2013 there are 12 months. Okay. So now year wise and month wise sales we have. Agree? If you want to compare the sale between this month and the same year next month, the same year I'm saying, let's say I'll not do order. Okay. I'll take 1 year only so that it is easy for us. Where D dot calendar year is equal to 2011. Let's see. So this is the month-wise data, year-wise, month-wise data, correct? See why I have taken like this. If I don't take this column, it will sum across the years. You got it? Why I have taken like this? You're getting me? No? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So let me now try to get how I can add lag for this. So year is there, month is there. I'm not taking this sum. Okay. Sum is not required. So here I'll take lag of sales amount over of order by dd dot English month name as previous month. This is previous month, comma, sales amount minus lag of sales amount over of order by month name as increment. What I'm doing, I'll remove this group by, it's not necessary because there is no sum. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting the previous month value and I'm taking this previous month value. This is the previous month value. I'm minusing it from the actual sales amount. Okay. If you want, you bring the sales amount also. Execute this. So this is the actual sales amount. This is the previous sales amount. So now what happened? There is it an improvement or loss? This is a profit or loss. Let's say instead of improvement, I'll say profit loss. Now you get it right. So for
yes,
April,
sir. Yeah.
okay. Just on lot
Yes,
of
sir.
this room windows only.
Yeah, according to this data, there's been a too much loss, yeah?
So this is I'm not grouping because I'm not grouping. It is showing every day.
Yeah,
It is showing every day. Okay. I mean,
yeah.
not every day. It is showing every transaction. As I am not grouping, it is showing every transaction in that month. Okay. Getting me? So,
Yes, sir.
how you can make it better? I know you got it because by seeing the profit loss comparison, dd dot date key, let's say, I'll keep date key instead of this. That's all. So now you see, this January 1st, this is a sales amount. Okay. There is no, and January 1st, it is this. Okay. No difference. January 2nd, you see. January 2nd also, we got the same sales. Where we got January 2nd, one more record came. So there you see loss. So only this is the sale amount happened. So this is actually not correct. Mm, Let me try to do group by. This is like a development I'm doing. Usually development goes like this, okay? There we go, boss. So we did a group by because this is a lag function. These are like Windows functions. No need to be part of group by. These 4 columns I did group by. So you'll get the distinct value. Now January 1st. This is the distinct value we have. This is a sales amount for January 1st. So first record nothing and first record because we did the lag, right? So first record we are not getting by default 1. No need to specify comma 1 here. No need to specify comma 1. By default 1. Okay. Now second day January. What is that? Only 6,700 has happened. So compared to the previous day, there is a loss. Agree? So compared to previous day, there is a gain. Compared to previous day, no loss, no gain. Compared to previous day, loss. You got it? Agree?
Yes, sir.
So why you got 2 rows are here? You may say for the same day. Correct? Why? Because I did group by sales amount. If I add here sum of sales amount, it will sum up and show you correctly. What happened?
Let's add some cells. Or some cells as after
That's okay.
bracket. Yeah.
You don't really need to put as for license.
Oh,
There is okay. No query issues here. But I select it is because it's not contained as an aggregate function. Okay, let it do. Let me show you here. Don't mind, please. I'll take some time because this is on the fly I'm doing, right? So, and something this we don't do every day. You agree?
yes, sir. Yeah.
Don't. Here only I do some more sales. It will come correctly. No, it should come correctly. Yeah, it's coming correctly. Now, comma, sales, comma, you take this two. It should be clear now. Okay, now you see. So there is no repetition of date. Okay. If you take
Yes, sir.
January alone, you'll get 30 records. We'll
Sir,
take- Yes, tell me.
could you explain the profit and loss, the sum,
I'll
sales minus lag?
I'll explain. I'll explain. What happened to this? So coming to here, profit and loss. What we are doing? Forget about profit loss. What you are you clear about this one? What
Yes,
is the
sir.
sales for the previous day? This one you are clear?
Lag
Yes,
weird.
no.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
clear, right?
Yeah.
Disha? So what I am
Yes.
doing, sales amount. Okay, this is a this is a sale amount. I am doing a minus of the lag value, means previous value. This minus this. This minus this, how much? This much. It shows that we got profit today. The second day we got in profit compared to previous day. So this is the sale amount today. Yesterday is this. So this minus this, we got minus. It means that we are in loss today compared to the previous day. You got it now? I just did sum of sales minus the value whatever lag is giving. So this is a lag value minus sum of sales. Now clear?
So is
No?
it
What?
basically like that, some table values where, one, the it just they're added, wait, the
I
one that
didn't get you.
you helped us do one time? Well, let me check. Like some
See,
value,
let's
some
say this is
value.
going. See, now you are my customer. Okay. Now you are customer. You have asked me. I want to see all the days where I got loss compared to the previous day. Okay. Here, what I did, I have taken January and I did based on date comparison. Correct? Yes or
Mm-hmm.
no?
Yeah.
Just think instead of date comparison, I'll do month comparison. Same formula. I just do month comparison. So, one moment. So, to get the month comparison, I'll not touch this query. I'll write specific. So, I'll be removing this day because it is going to have every row for that. Okay. I'm doing month comparison. So, month wise, it is giving because I did order by month, it is showing like this. So, order by month, not possible. If I do order by month, it will go in alphabetical order. Yeah. Directly do, let me do directly year comparison.
Excuse me, sir. Could you do with like smaller datas?
What is that?
Could you take like other datas rather than like taking this big one?
No, this generally used in a reporting, Disha. So that's the reason I have taken this data. That way only we can see. Okay. Now see here, year-wise summary. These are 2011 data. So 2012 sum of sales is year-wise sales. This is the sum year-wise sales. So they ended in loss in 2012. Compared to again 2013, they ended in profit. Are you clear now?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Hmm? So I did it based on year-wise. I could do based on month-wise also. Month-wise, what happened is it is it is ordering based on alphabetical order. So April goes first instead of January, not on the proper chronological order. It is coming. It is going on alphabetical order. Got it right?
Yes, sir.
So now you go. What are the distinct months? I am not sure. Let's say I comment this. What are the different months? Okay, 14. The 14 is there. That's all. One more month is 10 I am not taking. Why? Because 10 is having only 1 month. Actually, there are many months. There are many months. Here we join with product, no need of product, let's say. Let's see. Still, let's say I'm not even joining with date. Our date is required. Let me see. F dot order date, ship date. So here is not the. Okay, you understood the topic, right? That is important. Where we use
Yes.
lag, you got it, right? Your question is answered, everyone.
Yes,
Real
sir.
time. This is real time. Okay. This is how we can define the percentage also here. Okay. Fine. Okay. So can you try this query first? Lag query.
Lag already done. Lag one was easy, but the rest was a little deeper.
Everyone clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll go to the lead. Just a moment. Okay. Coming to the lead. Let me go to the notes for you. So what leads? Okay, you can see the screenshots also I have given for this. So for the names also. Coming to the lead. Lead function, which is used to read the data of next row without joins or subqueries. Directly we can read the next row. Okay. So go with the same example. I'll go with the same example. Instead of lag, I'm keeping lead. So this is the order date. You got first row directly. Okay. Actually, this one is coming here. This one is coming here. This one is coming here. Okay. You will not understand by seeing this date. Let us show you. Let me show you which city. So city, this one, will not get that one. Whatever the next one is there coming for the first row. You can see this two. It is same. You can see this and this. Observe, clear? Lead means whatever the next record is coming for the first record. So if you go to the last one, nothing is there here. You observe? Because the next record is coming already here. Got it?
No, sir. Could you please repeat that again?
Okay. What is lead? What is lag? Lag means
To go
first record will be
behind.
done. Correct?
The
Lag means
previous
first
one.
record will
Yeah.
be null and the first row will come in the second row for the lag. Correct?
Yes,
Getting
sir.
me? So lead is opposite. Lead is going to get you the next row. So what is the next row here? North ride. North ride is coming here. Got it? Next row is Pantin. It is coming for the second row. Third row coming in the second row. See here. Clear now? This second row
Yes.
data coming from first row only. Okay.
So,
So
but
how we can use this here
in
also you can see. So this is a lag. I'll convert to lead. Everything same. See, this is the first row, this is the second row. You are comparing with the next month. You getting me? You are comparing with the here the previous month record is coming here only. You are comparing it the current month. You are getting me? This I mean no this month data you are comparing with the next month data and seeing this month is profit. Lag profit, lead profit. Lag profit means previous month. Lead profit means next month. See here, this is lag. So first row will be null. You are going to compare with here. Here what you are going to do? You are going to compare with the previous month. So you are getting minus. But for the lead, you are going to compare with the next month. So this is it. You are getting plus. Clear? No, yes.
Yes, sir.
For
yes,
now,
so could you
you
please
forget
explain
about
the scenario, please?
you forget about this. So now you see. Oh, what happened? Okay. Invalid column calendar here. So see here. Somehow says this is the right. So what is the lag profit loss? Lag means first row will not come anything, right? Leave it. Now here, forget about this column now. What is the profit, whether it is a profit or loss when it is compared with the previous month? That is lag. Loss. What is the profit or loss when it is compared with the previous month? Profit. Is it profit or loss when it is compared to the previous month? Loss. This with respect to the loss. Now coming to the lead, I am keeping here. Forget about this. So this is the current month. What is the next month? Next, when I compare with next month, when I am in profit or not? Profit. Next month I am comparing. Already data is there. See, it's not like live. It's data warehouse. Data warehouse means history data. Data warehouse means history data. Okay. Generally, you don't use read here. I'm just telling. When I compare with the next month, I'm in profit. I'm in loss. When I compare with next month, I'm in profit. Okay. So generally lag only we do. I compare with the previous month, not with the next month. Agree? You agree? I'll
Yes.
not give you the example. I don't confuse you. Go with the lag. Okay. So are you clear on lead? Lead, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. I comment this. So next is first value. So this is a lead. Lead means before value it will come. So this value coming before. Now coming to the first value. First value is used to read the first value from entire table or the first value from the partition. Okay. So if you take customer's order, take this query, put here in the database. So this is the first value. You will not find anything. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll say city. Order by city, order by date. I'm saying order by date. I want to get the city. Just give me a moment. See the data. Okay, so you see here, based on order date, I said, because for this date, what is the first value? First value is this. But for this date, why this is coming? This is coming for all the values. First value, I'm sorry. So I said first value, right? So first value will be same for all the records. Among this list, what is the first value? It will show. Let me get you the example what I have here in the notes. So I said order by, okay, order date, customer name. Customer name is not there. First name is there. Okay, let me get first name. First name, first value of order date. I'm saying, okay, order by city, partition by city, order by city. Okay, let me get this. So what it is getting? Okay, now because I did partition by, partition means what it will do? It will group the data. It will group the data based on city and get the order date. So for all this, first date is this. For all this, first date is this. If you say, okay, so this date is same for everything. You cannot compare this. I'll do a query here. So here I'll do partition by date and order by data. Simple. First value, I'm doing partition by and order by. Now you'll get the correct order. For all these guys, date is same. Okay, it's changing. It's changing. So because I did partition based on this, I'm not seeing the duplicate date. Here you see, but for all of this, the same guy is there. So you get the same guy. I want different guys for different data. Now you see it is correct. Okay. So for this partition by order date. Okay. So for all this date, there are different cities. I am saying get the first value. You get the first value for all those rows. For all this date, there are different cities. I am saying get the first value. You are getting the first value here. Similarly here. You are getting me now? First value in this particular group. If I don't use group, what you'll get? You'll get the first value for all the records. For all the records, you'll get the first value. Ballard. For all the records. See? because he is the first value in the whole table group that will come here. When I say no, partition based on date, you just group the date. So then you order by city, then get the first date, first city. So for these three, or for this five, first date, first one is lemon grove. You get the lemon grove for all the five. Similarly, you can do for the last value also. Last value is also same. You'll get the last value. What is the last value here for all these dates? I don't know what is this. Wollongong. So for all this, Wollongong is going to come. See here, last value. What is it? Okay, that date is changed. Last value. From where this came? It is coming as it is. Correct? Partition by date. Order by city. Sending. No, 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 no. Just a moment. I'll get this also done. You got the first value, right? First value, are you clear? Everyone? This guy is coming for this records. For first row is coming for all. So this has to come for all. Let me see the query for last also. Okay, why dense rank, all those stuff. I said order by date. Okay. Order by last it has to come this way. Right. Don't know why it is giving different. Just I'll fix this. So yeah, so I forgot this. So by default, last value does not expect like how we expected. Okay, does not work like how we expected. This value has to come here. Okay, because of default window frame. There is a so this last value does not work like how we expect. So for that, what we have to do is we should give the data in such a way. We have to change the query for this. It won't work like how we expected. Okay, but, that's what the problem with last value. How to get this last value? I could able to recall. This won't, I have read this, okay. Last value does not work how we have expected. Like this has to come here. So for that, this I don't know why I have written. I don't remember this. Read the last value from the entire table or last value from the partition. Yes, I'm using partition. I want to you get this last value. How to get that? I'm trying. Mm, 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 Last value is very typical. First value, last value is okay. I don't want it. Let's say here I don't want to buy. This also does not work. Let me try with this value. This query, let me try. Last value of order date. Okay. This won't work, right? So this is I group it based on city. Okay. I partition based on city. Last value is this. It is coming here. How come the city is not coming? Date is coming. If you see, I did partition based on city. Okay. So this is one group. This is one group. If you see Berlin have a lot of records. Okay. Berlin last row is 12, 12, 2013. That's also not coming. Why 11 is coming? Where is 11? 11, 28. This is something tricky. 28, 11. You see 28, 11 somewhere? I don't see 28, 11 at all. I don't see 28, 11 at all. Somewhere it is getting. This is also not working. Let me Google it. Because this day to day we don't use. There's a problem with this. Return is the last value in the order list of set of values. See why it often seems not to work. By default, when you use order by in Windows function, SQL Server uses a Windows framework bit range between proceeding current row. Okay, this means every row, the last value, it can see itself. To get the actual last value of the entire set or partition, you must explicitly define. See, we have to add this keyword to get it. Okay, then only it will work. Let us see. So partition by, order by we do, and we have to set the range bound. So partition by I did, order by I did. I should write this. I should write this. Let me try this. In our example, this is the first value, last value. I told her this won't work as expected. I remember this, but I don't know how to get the result out of it. Okay, we got it now. See.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first group. This is the last value. You got the last value. This is the second group. This is the last value. We got the last value. Agree? So this additional keywords we had to give. Rows between unbounded proceeding and unbounded following. Unbounded proceeding and unbounded following. Okay, what happens without the rows between, column would just repeat the first value. See, it was the problem, right? We are getting the first value always, correct? If I don't write this, we are getting the first value for all the records, correct? For all the group. You see, first row for all the rows. Whatever is coming, it is just showing. So after doing this, I'm getting the current value. Okay. We got the last value also. I remember this statement. It won't return as expected. Okay, it's fine. Finally done. Are you clear about first value, last values?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. I think the lag values are good enough for today, sir. I'm not getting the first value and last value. Can we save this for later for the next week, sir?
Yes, sir. I've
Sure,
been getting
definitely. See,
confused.
I would like to explain.
Sir,
See,
even
first
if you
value
explain, my
means
mind will
first
not
value
get
in the
like
group.
today.
Fine. So done then. This is the example I can show. First value on the left you are getting for all the rows. Anyway, I don't trouble you. Where is this first value just copied? Okay, fine then. I'll not trouble you. You can relax for the day.
Yes, sir. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend. Thank you.